and today I'm going to be showing our Nuance hub. This will allow operation for all of our Nuance battery range, including a cellular blind, a roaming blind and an upcoming roller blind. It will allow operation via a remote control, an app or a smart home device like Google Home or Amazon. Quick demo of the product. Alexa, close cellular.
Okay.
As you can see, this is now operated via a smart home device. If you'd like to see a demonstration of this product on your premises, then click on the link below and you can arrange a visit from myself, Colin Bent up north, or Sarah Cannon and Sean Keneally down south. Thank you.